I changed the previous question a bit to see another form of this question as well. A stock will pay you 51 cents dividend next year, and it's expected the dividend to grow at 2% per year forever. If your required rate of return is 15%, compute the current stock price. So as the dividend is growing at a constant growth rate forever, and our interest rate is greater than G, the growth rate, we can use the Gordon growth model formula. So the formula is price is next dividend divided by R minus G. Do we have D1 here? Yes. It's next dividend, next year dividend. So next year dividend is D1 and we already have it. So no need to multiply it by 1 plus G because it's already D1. In the previous example, we had D0. We had to compute D1 and put it in the formula. But now we have already D1. So D1 is 0.51. R is 15% minus 2% growth rate. And then you will get $3.92. $3.92 US dollar is the stock price. And if you are interested to compute, for example, price in year 10, what is price in year 10? Is D11 divided by R minus G. So always next dividend divided by R minus G. So how to compute D11? You remember D1 was D0, 1 plus G, and so D11 is D0 multiplied by 1 plus G power 11. Or here we have D1, so I just write this formula like this, D1, 1 plus G power 10. You know, you can play with it, right? So it's very simple math. And then you put this here and divide it by R minus G. So it's D1 is 0.51 multiplied by 1 plus 0.0, the growth rate 2, power is 10, and then divided by R minus G, 0.15 minus 0.02, and yeah, you do the calculation. So, okay, my point for this question was, you need to identify whether you have D0 or D1 or maybe any other dividend. D0 when it's just paid, already paid means D0, but D1 means next dividend, the dividend at the end of year 1. In this formula, if it's P0, it's D1. So be careful whether you have D0 or D1. If it's D0, first compute D1 and then insert in the formula. But if it's D1, then no problem, just put it directly in the formula.